Friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we will explain all the details about this location, views, amenities of the building, and creativity and facilities also. As you can see, this property location it is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings on that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Which is the possible? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Category 1. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and details Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Three categories of rooms are available on stay. In this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed